Today, I want to present about the entrepreneur before starting the venture. First, his previous work experience before starting the venture in Fest Kitchen. He started before starting his career as a chef at Fest Kitchen. He took several jobs to gain knowledge, experience, and also real work exposure to the working environment. Initially, while continuing his studies as intern, he worked as a sales assistant, where his responsibility to tasks such as selling Domino voucher and Maxi voucher. Through this role, he gained really work experience and learned how to communicate effectively with customers. In addition, this experience taught him how to work under pressure, interact with people from different backgrounds, and adapt to a fast-paced working environment. He also learned the importance of discipline, responsibility, and also teamwork, which later become essential qualities in his career as a chef. This early work experience helped him build confidence and develop a strong work ethic, preparing him mental and also professionally for a challenge for the culinary industry. After completing this piece, he took the opportunity to apply the experience he had gained by starting work as a chef at Fest Kitchen. He also continued working there until the present day, allowing him to further strengthen his culinary skill, kitchen discipline, and also professional confidence. Overall, his journey of working in different roles before become a chef proved him with value, experience, and a strong foundation, which helped him establish himself more effectively in his career as a chef. Next, I want to talk about role model when he grew up. He studied throughout his time as a chef at Fest Kitchen. He has looked up to several individuals as a role model who have played an important role in shaping his mindset, attitude, and passion toward this culinary field. This role model have guided him not only in improve his cooking skill, but also in develop professionalism in discipline in the kitchen. One of the main role models he prefer is Chef Yusuf Sabri, whose strong work ethic, professional leadership, and dedication to the culinary industry that have greatly influenced by him. By observing Chef Yusuf Sabri, he learned the importance of consistency, attention to details, and maintaining high standards in food preparing. In addition to that, he also inspired by chef on TikTok, which is the name is Chef Luis and also Chef Amirul, who serve a modern source in inspiration in his culinary journey. Through the creative content, unique cooking technique, and also innovative food preparation style, he is motivated to explore new ideas and continually improve his skill. These chefs encourage him to stay updated with current food trend and to be more creative and confident in experimenting with different cooking methods. By observing and learning from this role model, he has become more enthusiastic and confident in developing his abilities as a chef. The influence encouraged him to remain committed, disciplined, and patient about his career, even when facing challenges in the kitchen. The motivation further strengthened his determination to continue growing, improve his culinary skills, and excelling as a professional chef at Fest Kitchen. Thank you.
This slide also tell about the entrepreneur before starting the venture. So I'm going to present about entrepreneurial activities and early digital promotion. Before officially start Fest Kitchen, The owner began with a small food booth using RM500 from PTPT and Spans. They also took part in Bazaar and Food Festival in Kota Baru, which helped promote the product and understand the local market demand. In addition, the owner joined the MK Entrepreneurship Program recently to gain knowledge in business development, marketing and networking. Before launching officially, the business was promoted on Facebook and Instagram. This platform were used to introduce products, take orders and interact with customers. These early activities not only help develop sales management, customer service and business operation skills, but also attract new customers, increase brand awareness and reduce the risk of business failure at the start. This slide also shows about parents' background and entrepreneurial intention. The owner of Fest Kitchen was raised in a modest family, where the mother was a housewife and the father worked as a mechanic. Growing up in a family that emphasized self-reliance, independence, and hard work helped nurture strong work ethic, discipline, and entrepreneurial spirit. Observing how the parent managed daily challenges inspired the owner to explore business ventures independently, and family support played a key role in developing confidence and the courage to take risks. The intention to become an entrepreneur has existed since the age of 10, motivated by the desire to earn personal income, improve the family's economic status, and achieve financial freedom. This early intention shaped the owner's commitment and resilience when facing business challenges such as operating costs, customer management, and market competition. Combined with a supportive family background, this strong intention provided a foundation for the sustainable establishment and long-term success of Fest Kitchen.
Actions of entrepreneur when starting a business. So for this slide, the image explains the action and mindset of an entrepreneur when starting a business. Based on the image, the main motivation of the business owner to start the business comes from her mother and father. They inspire her to think about her own future and the future of her family. The image also mentioned that today's world is not only about knowledge, but it is strongly related to finance. That is why the owner emphasized the importance of having a clear purpose when starting a business. The next one is in terms of goals. The image shows that the owner aims to become a successful person. As stated in the image, she opened her own kitchen and managed everything by herself. This business is not only for earning income, but it is also served as a platform to realize interests, talents, and dreams. Through business, an entrepreneur has the freedom to make decisions, create something valuable, and build her own identity and brand, as explained in the image. Lastly, the image highlights the resources available before starting the business. The owner has financial capital from her own savings, family support, and partners. This capital is important to cover initial business costs such as rent, raw material, and equipment. In addition, the image stresses the importance of knowledge and skills, including product knowledge, financial management, marketing, and communication skills with customers and suppliers. The image clearly states that without proper knowledge, even large capital can be misused if money is not handled in an informed and planned way.